Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Welcome to science class. What did you learn in the previous class? Can you remember? Yes, we had learned about the nervous system. Now, I am going to ask you some questions. What are the organs in the nervous system? Good. The brain, spinal cord, and the nerves together form the nervous system. What are the main parts of the brain? Good. Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Where is the brain located? The brain is located inside the skull. We eat food every day. We drink water every day. What will happen to the food we eat and water we drink inside the body? Our body absorbs the nutrients, but the undigested food and water comes out. How does it come out? Every day our body takes in air, food and liquids like water, tea, coffee, juice, etc. Our body uses most of these things to grow and gain energy. But our body does not use all of these things. Things that the body cannot use are called waste. Our body gets rid of the waste to stay clean and healthy. The excretory system is responsible for the elimination of waste produced by our body. There are several parts involved in this process such as sweat glands, the liver, the lungs and the kidney. Every human has two kidneys. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. The kidneys filter urea and other waste products from the blood, which are then added to urine within the bladder. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs located on either side of the backbone. Either side means two sides. Every human has a pair of kidneys. Pair of means two. Ureters. Ureters are narrow tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is triangle shaped. The capacity of the bladder is 400 to 600 milliliter. Urethra. Urethra is a tube that arises from the urinary bladder. This tube allows urine to pass outside the body. The excretory system produces, stores and eliminates urine. The fluid waste is excreted by the kidneys. The kidneys make urine by filtering waste and extra water from blood. Urine travels from the kidneys through two thin tubes called ureters and fills the bladder. When the bladder is full, a person urinates through the urethra to eliminate the waste.
The human kidney. In human beings, a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, and a bladder represents the excretory system. The nitrogenous end product in a man is urea. The kidney is a bean-shaped, red-colored organ. Kidneys are attached to the doors of the body wall on either side of the vertebral column in the abdominal cavity. Its outer margin is convex and its inner margin is concave. The notch present in the inner margin is called hilus. The renal artery, which brings blood to the kidney from the heart, enters the kidney through the hilus. Each ureter is a thin wall tube. The interior of a ureter is wide and is called the pelvis. The ureters open into the urinary bladder. Urine is stored in the bladder till it's filled, and then it is sent out through a canal called the urethra. On top of each kidney, an adrenal gland is present. Adrenal glands have nothing to do with excretion. Now let's understand the structure of a kidney. The outer region of the kidney is deep red in color and is called as cortex. The inner region is light red colored and is called the medulla. In the medulla, there are 9 to 12 inverted pyramid-like structures with broad base towards the cortex and narrow end towards the pelvis. These extend into the pelvis. The broad end of each pyramid is branched and resembles the sepals of a flower. Hence, these are called calyces. Through calyces, urine reaches funnel-like ducts and from there goes into the pelvis. From the pelvis, urine goes to the ureters.
Organs in the excretory system are a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Children, we had learned about the excretory system. Now we are going to learn about the reproductive system. Reproductive means relating to the process of producing babies, young animals or plants. The cat reproduces a kitten. The dog reproduces a puppy. The lion reproduces a cub. Like that, the human beings reproduces a baby. Reproductive system helps to reproduce the young ones. Reproductive system has organs which are different for men and women. Each one of us is special and each one has a special body form. Body form differs in each of us. Men and women look different. Some are tall while others are short. Some are thin while others are fat. Though we differ in our height, weight, skin, color and so on, we all have the same organs. The reproductive system helps to reproduce young ones. Children, today we had learned about the excretory system and reproductive system. Now let us recap the lesson. Recap: things that the body cannot use are called waste. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. The excretory system cleans our body by removing the waste. The reproductive organs helps to produce young ones. Children, study the lesson and do the assignment. Thank you, children.